we've got a lot of traction with particularly the U.S. Food and Drug Administration around these products. We've been granted fast track and breakthrough designations for our products. The FDA has seen the clinical data, which is, superb clinical data. And so we feel pretty confident that those products will get into the U.S. market next year. And then, the next hill to climb is to make sure then that we make those products available to European and Australian patients as well. We're a global business, so we want everyone to have access to these transformational medicines.
You've also flagged potential strategic mergers and acquisition activity. What kind of M&A are you looking at? Can you give us a glimpse into your strategy here?
Well, we've always been a fairly acquisitive company. We do 2 to 3 transactions a year, and those transactions are becoming more material and more important to the company's future. The big areas that we focus on tend to be these days around supply chain and manufacturing. We're a radiopharmaceutical company, which means that our products have an incredibly short shelf life. And so what that means is that we need to produce our products close to our customers and build very sophisticated distribution networks. And so manufacturing is, a crucial and strategic part of what we do, and we've still got a bit more work to do there.
Yeah, unpack that a little bit further for us, Christian, because you said supply chains and my ears pricked up, given, of course, a lot of the conversation we hear about that is, diversification, a lot of sort of so-called protectionism happening in certain countries and, a lot of shifts in this space. What is happening in the pharmaceuticals? How are you navigating all of this right now?
We're a bit atypical from a conventional pharma, just because our product shelf life is measured in hours or even days, and so that complexity of just-in-time manufacturing, developing a drug that's radioactive and it's literally a melting ice cube, it's decaying as you're delivering it to your customer, introduces some unique challenges. But I would say your observation is absolutely correct. As you look at the pharmaceutical industry more generally, there are all kinds of capacity constraints appearing, shortages of medicine. We've had some spectacularly successful franchises that have been severely constrained in terms of commercial availability. And so, yeah, this is definitely a major challenge for the industry more broadly.